Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear school fellows. My name is Nasreen, and I am your host for today's assembly session. Let's begin our assembly with the recitation of the Holy Quran. I request Muzammil to please come forward for the recitation. MashaAllah, Jazakallah for the beautiful recitation. Now we will have a beautiful naat. I request Sania to please come forward. MashaAllah, Jazakallah for the heart-touching naat. Next, we will listen to an inspiring speech. I request Anisa to please come forward. Thank you for the wonderful speech. Finally, let's stand together for the national anthem. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.